These are my hot and spicy air-fried chicken tenders. Super delicious and super healthy. Here's the recipe.
Oh, that's spicy, but good.
We're going to start by taking around 200 grams of cornflakes, whacking them in a plastic bag, and with a rolling pin, just taking out all your aggression, smashing those up into small, beautiful little pieces. Transfer and spread these onto a plate. Then we're going to move on to the next step, which is 2 eggs. We're going to season generously with salt and some hot sauce. I've chosen Frank's Red Hot because that's my favorite, but you can choose whatever you like. Whisk those together, then season your flour generously with salt, pepper, and some paprika, and then we're ready to begin the dunking process. Take your chicken into the flour first, then we're going to go into the egg mixture. Make sure that chicken is generously covered, and then we're going to throw this into our cornflakes that we've smashed. And again, make sure every inch of this is covered. Into the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, making sure that you flip halfway between. They should come out looking like this, beautifully golden brown and crisp, but most importantly, super tender inside. I'm going to place these on a wire rack to let them cool down, and while these are cooling down, I'm going to take my brush and just gently brush on some extra hot sauce. And that's how you make the most amazing air-fried hot chicken tenders. If you want to stick around, I'll show you how I turn these into burgers alongside a healthy dipping sauce. Wow. For the sauce, we're going to take 2 heaped tablespoons of a good Greek yogurt, then add in some pickle juice alongside some sliced pickles and some hot sauce, and then we're going to finish with a tablespoon of honey for that little bit of sweetness, making this a delicious, hot and sweet dipping sauce. I like to take this one step further and make burgers out of these, so I take my burger bun, add some of that amazing dipping sauce, then go in with your chicken tenders, and then finish with some pickles and some coriander. Smush that all together, and all that's left to do is dive in and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.